Hello, you have chosen a parquet floor with Top Connect installation by Haro. An excellent choice. Today I'll show you how to install it as a floating floor. First, sweep and vacuum the room thoroughly. The subfloor has to be free from dust and dirt. To make sure that there are enough boards to finish, we will measure the surface area for installation again. Measure the space of the room as accurately as possible, length times width. Add another 5 to 10% to the calculated square meters, because there will always be a bit of cutting waste during installation. Before we begin with the actual installation, we should think about the direction in which we want to install the floorboards. Here there's no right or wrong. We can install the boards sideways to make the room appear bigger, or we can focus on the lengthwise direction of a room to emphasize the shape of the room. The primary light source is often used as a guide. To create a clean end under doors or accurate transitions to adjacent rooms, install the appropriate moldings on the floor in advance. Wood is a living material and it changes its dimensions. Depending on temperature and humidity, your floor will slightly expand or contract. These moldings ensure that there are no gaps. In addition, they protect the edges of your parquet. When performing a floating installation on mineral subfloors, it is important to lay insulation against footfall, sound and a vapor barrier. You will find different systems in our product range. In today's installation, we will use a sound-absorbing layer with integrated vapor barrier. And this is where it really gets serious. We are going to start with the installation of your floor. We'll start on the right-hand side. On the next board, you will notice that the Top Connect installation system works quite easily. Simply put the short side of the board into position and push down until it locks. Please remember to leave an expansion gap of about 10 mm from the wall. Distance spacers are the easiest way to keep an even distance on all sides. Starting from row 2, first angle in the long side. Push carefully to the short side and let it snap in again by angling it down. You can tell that it is correctly locked when it clicks. It is important to have an offset of at least 1/3 in the transverse joints of the adjacent boards. Check the alignment with the chalk line. Is everything straight? Okay, then let's continue. You can easily install them this way, row by row. The elements rarely fit exactly at the end. Cut the last row lengthwise so that it fits perfectly. Whether you use a circular saw or a jigsaw is entirely up to you. Please remember to leave an expansion gap of about 10 mm. Afterwards, take out the distance spacers and screw the cover moldings onto the base moldings mounted earlier. Done! Enjoy your new Haro floor. And if you have any questions, please visit our YouTube channel where you'll find many useful tips and tricks. See you soon!